If you've ever opened a website in Chrome and it couldn't detect your location, or you kept getting blocked from using a maps, local searches, delivery tools, or location-based services, this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable location in Google Chrome browser step by step, so websites can ask for your location and use it properly when you allow it. This is a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if you rely on location-based features while browsing. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the exact browser where you want location access enabled, because these settings apply to the Chrome profile you're currently using. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find all of the browser's important settings and controls. From that menu, click Settings. That will take you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance to site permissions. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is important because it controls the browser's privacy controls, security options, cookies, and different types of website permissions. After that, click Site Settings. This is the area where Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to access, including your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. So if a website is unable to use your location, this is exactly where you need to be. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll down until you find Location. Click on it to open the Location Permission settings. Here, Chrome will show you the options for how websites can interact with your location data. To enable location properly, select Sites can ask for your location. This is the option you want because it allows websites to request access when needed instead of blocking them completely. Once this is turned on, websites will be able to prompt you for location access, and you can choose whether to allow or deny it on a case-by-case basis. That gives you more control while still making sure location features work when you need them. If a site still does not work after this, you may also want to check whether the website is blocked in Chrome's list of blocked sites or whether your computer's own system location services are turned off. But in most cases, enabling this Chrome setting is enough to get location access working again. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to the three dots menu, open Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then Location, and finally choose Sites can ask for your location. That's the full process to enable location in Google Chrome browser. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.